How to get donations button in Roblox Please Donate. Well, let me walk you through it. So if you would like to get a donation stand just like this in Roblox Please Donate, then the first thing that you will need to do is you would actually need to go to your browser and search for Roblox Studio. Once you do, you want to click through onto Creator Dashboard. Now here in Creator Dashboard, you will be able to create your Game Pass. Now you want to click through onto this experience. Now here on the left hand side, you want to click on associated items. Here, click on passes. And as you can see, I already have 3 passes. Those are the ones you saw in the game. So click create a pass. And the first thing you want to do is you want to upload an image. After you've uploaded an image, give it a name and click create pass. So this is the pass that we just created, and you can see that it's off sale. So we want to list it for sale and actually be able to get donations. So for that, we need to click on it. On the left hand side, click on sales, and then here click item for sale. And then you want to give it a price. So if you give it 10, you will be able to receive 7. And that's because the creator earnings are 70% of what the sale price, and Roblox keeps 30%. Okay. So whatever price you give it, let's say I'm going to give it 40 and I'm going to keep 28 Roblox. So then I just click save changes and go back to the game. So now that you're in the game, you want to walk up to an unclaimed stand, press and hold E, and you are going to claim this stand. And as you can see, I already have 3 different game passes which you can click and you can donate. And the 4th one is soon going to be available here. It's still processing. So this is how you get the donations button in Roblox Please Donate. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.